So here the bear has found his home, his dark cave or lair. And he is sleeping through the long, cold winter. Who remembers the word by raising their hand that it's called when a bear or an animal sleeps through the winter?
Hibernate.
Hibernation, good. And why do animals need to hibernate? Can anyone remember, Adam? Why do animals need to hibernate?
So they can stay alive.
Yeah, it helps them survive. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls into the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So here, the mouse has went into the cave and started a fire. This is the effect. What caused the mouse to go into this cave and start the fire? Ethan, what caused the mouse to want to go into this cave and make a fire?
Because he was freezing. The cave was too dark.
Yeah, he was freezing out here in the cold snow, wasn't he? So because the mouse was cold, he found a cave and went inside to keep warm. So the cause is it's cold outside, so the mouse goes inside to keep warm and build a fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Everyone give your best bear snore. Those are some good bear snores. Okay, let's keep going. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in.
That's a bunny.
Yeah,
That's a bunny.
a hare is a rabbit or bunny, yes. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop like corn and they brew black
It's
tea.
also like a type of snow rabbit.
Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." So what causes the badger to want to go into the cave?
There's popcorn.
He smells popcorn, right, Billy Mark?
And he smells tea.
Yeah, he smells the good yummy yums that they're making in there, doesn't he? "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So the cause is the badger smelled food. So the effect was he went into the cave to eat with Hare and Mouse. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch.
The bear looks like he ate stuff.
But the bear snores on.
He got big.
So here a gopher and a mole are coming to join the fun. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm." The wren twitters and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Look at all of them huddled up here around the fire.
Behind the party.
Now they're having a party, aren't they?
Yeah. What was out there?
It says that they tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on.
Time to roar. When the bear's gonna wake up, how of all the noise they're making, the one thing they're
Let's find out. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Who remembers what happens next?
He wakes up.
What causes?
He wakes up and he sneezes.
But a small pepper fleck makes the bear
Sneeze.
say, everyone,
Achoo!
so what caused the bear to sneeze?
A pepper fleck.
The pepper fleck. So because a pepper fleck
Are those letters?
came out of the stew, it made the bear wake up and sneeze. So the cause comes first. The cause was the what? The cause was the pepper fleck, right? And the effect was the bear sneezed. And the bear wakes up. He snarls. Bear roars. Bear gnarls. Bear grumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. So we know right here the bear is feeling angry. But now, how is the bear feeling? Sad. What causes the bear to feel sad, do you think?
He missed out.
He missed out.
All the fun.
He missed out on all the fun, didn't he, Gemma?
Then he made more.
But Mouse says, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. So here the mouse is trying to be kind and cheer the bear up, isn't he? Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. What does delight mean?
He's happy.
It could mean he's happy, yes.
And he's glad.
He's glad.
He's greedy.
Yeah, so then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. But when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. So what caused all of Bear's friends to go to sleep? Skylar, what caused all Bear's friends to go to sleep? They stayed up all night. Lady, what else did these animals do that you think would make them go to sleep?
They stayed up all night partying without Bear.
Yeah, they stayed up all night partying without Bear. So now the animals are tired, aren't they?
Yeah.
So, the cause was, Bella, because the animals stayed up all night cooking, partying. The effect is they were sleepy and slept all the next day. So give me a thumbs up if cause and effect is starting to make a little more sense. Give me a thumbs up if it's starting to make a little more sense to you. Okay. Good. Does anyone have any questions from Bear Snores On? Brantley, you have your hand up first. Any questions about the story?
I like how the bear holds the animals.
You like how the bear holds the animals?
He's like surprised.
He's surprised. Bentley, what do you like to add about the story?
I like to play with them when they party.
Where they party. That's your favorite part? So, whenever we go to our centers, our center is going to practice more with cause and effect. And we are going to match cause and effect events from the clock.